YouTube. I bought this fresh new BB gun. Smith & Wesson M3000. This is going to be the unboxing. So, I got it from a BB gun store in Toronto as a birthday present. This is a pump action. You could put it on hop mode, normal, 355 FPS. It is this BB gun is 9 caliber, and it's a licensed BB gun, and it comes with 500 bullets there. And yeah, I'm gonna unbox this thing and I'll open it later. Bye.